Very good afternoon to one and all gathered here. I'm extremely overwhelmed to welcome you all in the workshop of Entrepreneurial Attitude Behavior Development initiated by Institution Innovation Council IIC of DAV College, Jalandhar. I humbly request everyone to stand up for the DAV gun, please.
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता धर्म पुनीता हे धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंस राज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का वो दिन मान उदय जय जय दिए विजय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरे प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय
Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. With this note, I, Aditi, Student Coordinator of Startup Activities, on behalf of IIC Council, would like to welcome courageous, all-rounder entrepreneur and our Honorable Chief Guest, Ms Khyati Kohli, who is the Managing Director of Punjab's fastest-growing digital news channel, True Scoop, with 2.5 million followers. Being graduated from University of Southern California, she decided to bring a socio-economic change in her home country and initiated this step by publishing a novel called The Shames on You at the age of 20. She is also a co-founder of Agas, which is an NGO that has helped more than 5,000 underprivileged women. Along with this, she is a trainer with Google News Initiative India Training Network. We heartily welcome you, ma'am. The essence of great leadership is influence and not authority. With this note, I would like to welcome the respected head of the college, our Senior Vice Principal, Professor Salil Kumar Uppalji, to this workshop. We celebrate your leadership and you keep on influencing us. I would like to welcome all our dignitaries on and off the stage who have always helped in uplifting the students. Last but not the least, I sincerely welcome all my students' friends. You are strong and smart. Once again, I welcome everyone to the workshop. Now, I would like to invite Professor Salil Kumar Uppalji, our Senior Vice Principal, Dr. Dinesh Arora ji, Vice Principal IIC, Dr. Rajiv Puri ji, Convener IIC, Professor Manish Khanna sir, Startup Coordinator, and other respected IIC members for the floral welcome of Khyati Kohli ma'am. Thank you very much. Now, I welcome Dr. Dinesh Arora ji, Vice President IIC, to welcome our prestigious chief guest. I'm sorry. Now, I welcome our Vice Principal, sir, to welcome our prestigious chief guest and keynote speaker, Ms Khyati Kohli.
A very good afternoon to all present here. And I take this opportunity to accord a very hearty and warm welcome to Ms Khyati Kohli. And before that, I would like to congratulate the dignitaries sitting on the dais. That includes Professor Ms Khyati, Professor Dinesh Arora, Professor Dr. Rajiv Puri, Dr. Manav Agarwal, and Professor Komal Soni, and any other member of the staff who is part of this battery of students and teachers who made this particular event possible. Now, before coming here, I had a small chit chat with Ms Khyati in my office, and it turns out that she is very dynamic. I was given this paper by Professor Ms Khyati to give me, a peep into her illustrious career and the progress which she has made at a very young age by leaps and bounds. And she can definitely be, a source of inspiration and a source of, encouragement for you in general and girls in particular, because I find that most of her work is directed towards women empowerment and women upliftment. So she is not only a success in starting up some digital platform which is named as True Scoop, which has many followers. She has also registered a significant presence on social media, be it Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform you can think of, to spread a message which is not polluted by any political or other consideration which may somehow dilute her mission to serve the society and in particular the cause of the women. And normally, I'm not very excited about the NGOs, because in India, most of the NGOs, they fail to do what they claim. But after meeting her, I'm sure that there is a ray of hope when people like Ms Khyati, who are there not with the sole motive of making money, but making a difference in society. And she has co-founded, I'm told, an NGO named Agaz, which has already done a stupendous job of, I would say, rescuing or empowering or uplifting the lives of 5,000 plus women. And that is a very creditable job. I would request all of you to put your hands together and give her very well-deserved applause. Now, her CV or her biodata runs deep, and there are so many achievements at this young age which she has in her cap, several feathers of success stories. So now I would not stand for long between you and the keynote speaker, and I'm sure this workshop is going to turn out to be a very fruitful one, and you guys can really look forward to a very rewarding experience. I welcome you, Ms Khyati Kohli, once again.
Thank you very much, sir, for your words. Now, without taking much time, I humbly invite Ms Khyati Kohli to present her words of vision and have an interaction session with the students. Please, ma'am.
A very good afternoon to all of you here. How are you all doing? Are you excited for the workshop? Yes. Great. So today I am going to share a lot about my journey, but I want this to be a mutually beneficial and learning experience. In the last 5 years of my working, I have gained a few lessons that I would like to share with all of you. But before I do, I would love to know who I'm interacting with. So I usually start with an icebreaker question. And my icebreaker question for today is, because we're talking on the theme of entrepreneurship, it is very important if you want to eventually start something of your own, it's important for you to know why. So why are you doing what you're doing? A lot of talks that you will see or a lot of motivational sessions that you will attend, they revolve around the why, the purpose. So my first question and my icebreaker question to all of you is, what is your purpose in life? It is a very deep question and not one that's easy to answer. So first question to all of you, what is your purpose in life? People who think they have the answer figured out, please raise your hands. People who know, kids or students who know that this is my purpose in life, I'm very clear about this. Great. Raise your hand higher so we know. It's okay, don't shy away. Be as open as possible. You guys will interact more and have more fun in the workshop then. So, yeah, great. I can see more hands. Awesome. Anyone in the back? Great. So whoever raised their hands, just stand up once. Great. So quickly, can I know your names and your purpose in life?
My name is Aditi, and my purpose in life is to become a kind person to the people in the
Great.
world.
Awesome. Kindness is a very important, and in fact, in these days, I feel like we don't see it as often. So it's great that you think that being kind to people is important to you. It's a very beautiful purpose to have. You guys want to start?
Yeah, sure. So I am Purnima, and being a creative person, I want to be a makeup studio artist and a nail tech.
Alright, so what's your purpose in life?
This is my purpose. I
The-
want to
you
become
want-
this.
You want to become this and
Yeah.
this is yours. So just speak it in one line. My purpose
My
in life.
purpose in life is to become a makeup artist and a nail tech.
Awesome. What about you? What's your name and your purpose in life?
I am Sumanpreet Kaur. My purpose in life is to become a web developer.
Alright. We're talking about jobs here, right? So this is what I want to become. So that's
Become
in.
financially independent.
Oh, great.
Mainly.
So your purpose in life is to become financially independent right now. Awesome. What about the others who are standing? Let's start from there.
My name is Ritik Kumar, and my purpose in life is to become a king of coaching industry.
King of coaching industry. Okay, so what coaching industries or coaching institutions have inspired you so far? Can you name?
PW, Physics and Khan. I want to serve the rural areas.
Great. And awesome, you can have a seat. Others who are standing, please. Yeah.
Myself Shruti and I want to be a chef. So for that I want to open a restaurant, a baker, something like that.
Alright, so do you cook right now?
Yes, she's a very nice cook.
Okay, awesome. What do you cook? What's your favorite dish to cook?
Recently I baked a cake,
Okay, so what flavor?
vanilla.
Vanilla.
Along with it.
Great. We'll move on.
Hello, my name is Nitesh Sharma and I want to become a graphic designer.
Okay. And why do you want to become a graphic designer?
मैम क्योंकि मेरा इंटरेस्ट है।
Oh.
My name is Kirat Sehgal and I want to become a storyteller and writer.
Storyteller and writer. Do you like to read stories also?
I like to read comics.
Comics.
I just like to read the motivational ones.
You like to read motivation. Anyone else that I missed? You standing, Nancy?
Ma'am, I am Nandini Sharma, and my purpose in life is to become a good researcher in mathematics.
Researcher in mathematics. Very interesting and very rare, I must say. So that's great. Good luck with it. You can have a seat. Awesome. So now, without